It's not easy at all to leave your loved ones to migrate to a new country. You bring loads of dreams and a few dollars in just 2 suitcases and have high spirits to succeed and make a better future. I still remember the day I landed and took a big smiley selfie at the airport. I still laugh remembering that unmatchable energy, the excitement to look around in the city and explore more and more, the assignments at the university, the stress to study and pass the exams, and how can I forget the days running after the trams to get to work on time. I feel sad as I used to get so tired and sleep while traveling every day. We all work so hard at whatever we do to survive, and we're all successful today in our own paths and living happily. And one thing that was always there for me was Aggarwal Immigration. Udon Meriti, Parhasla Aggarwal Immigration Ka. Aggarwal Immigration, we ease your journey.